In this lesson, we will explore how to connect artificial intelligence to your chatbot only at specific flow steps, set up OpenAI integration, and add instructions to generate responses. This will allow you to create flexible chatbot scenarios where your chatbot analyzes user responses, remembers conversation context, and collects data to branch flows based on user actions or goal completion. To incorporate the AI element into your chatbot flow, go to the Flow Builder and add the AI step element. To access the AI model settings, click its name in the upper right corner. Select a method to connect the token. You can inherit the token from your chatbot settings or use a separate token for this element. If you select a separate token, paste the API key from your OpenAI account into this field. If you choose to inherit the token from your chatbot settings, the AI step will use the API key from your chatbot integration section or general account settings. Select an AI model to generate chatbot replies. Specify how many previous messages the AI should consider as context and set the maximum token number per response. The token limit sets your chatbot message length. 100 tokens are approximately 75 words in English. The more tokens you allow, the higher the request cost. To track your expenses, go to the Usage tab in your OpenAI account. You can find a link to this section in the additional materials for this lesson. Next, adjust your chatbot response temperature. The higher the temperature indicator value, the more abstract and creative the responses will be. Don't forget to save your changes. In the bot instructions field, enter a prompt outlining your company, products, or services. Define the response format and your chatbot communication style and include examples of popular questions and desired answers. To give you an idea, you can instruct the AI to analyze customer intent and preferences and then suggest products or services based on their responses. Now that AI is connected, it's time to customize it. First, in the Step Type field, you need to select an element execution mode. There are two mode types, including the one-time execution and the conditional exit modes. Choosing the first mode enables your chatbot to immediately respond and direct a user further down the flow. If you select the second mode, your chatbot will wait for a specific goal to be achieved within a set time frame, for example, a user response, before continuing the flow. The one-time execution step mode is ideal for quick tasks. For instance, when your chatbot needs to generate a list of relevant hashtags for a post, translate terms into a selected language, enhance user-inputted text, or calculate an expression, and so on. The conditional exit mode offers additional settings. You can specify whether your bot should wait for an incoming message or initiate the conversation itself. In the Set Goals as Exit Conditions field, define what constitutes a completed goal for a user to move to the next flow element. For instance, if your chatbot needs to determine if a user is ready to book an appointment and collect their phone number, setting clear conditions will enhance accuracy and minimize false triggers. To make your chatbot save specific user data to a variable, click Save Data from User Reply. In the first field, specify the data to be retrieved from the user response. In the second field, select a variable from your chatbot audience. You can add multiple variables if you need to. Let's say a customer left their email address or selected a product. Your chatbot can save this value to a variable and use it in other flow elements. Set the time during which the element should remain active. Additionally, you can set multiple conditions or leave them unset, in which case your chatbot will operate within a specified time frame. In the Execution Behavior field, select one of the following actions. Send a reply from AI to the subscriber as a message. Your chatbot will generate responses and send them to the user until the element time expires or the goal is achieved. Continue the flow without a response. Use this action to combine your chatbot response with your own message. To do this in your next message element, use the borrowed last AI response, your own shortcode. Click Apply to save your changes. Branch your flow using exit points to adapt it to user actions and make chatbot interactions more natural. If the AI step element reaches its goal, use the green exit point to continue your flow. For example, when the user accepts an offer, shares their data, or signs up for a webinar, you can extend your flow using other elements to send a confirmation, offer product recommendations, or request payment. If the waiting time expires and the user does not complete the target action, they will automatically reach the red exit point. This allows you to properly move on from the current step or send a notification to re-engage the user. You can place the AI step element anywhere in your flow, including the start, the middle, or the end. If you plan to add multiple AI step elements in your flow, you'll need to re-enter your prompt for each of them. To avoid duplicating information, save your prompt as a global variable in your chatbot settings. Then, insert this variable into the bot instructions field. To ensure everything works properly, don't forget to test your flow. You can send yourself a test message to see how your chatbot will act in a real conversation with subscribers. Important. Since responses are generated by AI, they may vary in every chat. To ensure your chatbot performs as expected, make your prompt and execution conditions as detailed as possible.